Morning everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic here at Libram's Truck and Diesel Repair. I'm just starting to show up now, get the doors open, and I've got the trailer unhooked to go ahead and fire it up and drop it off the jacks. Hopefully we can get this thing fixed today. Got us some hot air balloons this morning. A couple of them. Well, I've got the blank display going on again. I really thought it was this wire, this butt connector right here. Ah, shoot. But that didn't solve it, so I ended up pulling the cover on the VIM, which is your vehicle interface module, and I swapped these bottom two relays around. That didn't fix it, but then I swapped them back to their original position and it suddenly came to life. So, could be a relay problem or something to do with the ECU itself. Just something else to add to the fun. Well, everyone, I've been sitting down here, these waterfalls, I don't know, last 4 hours. This is a really nice river, but I've just been trying to clear my brain, get past what happened this morning. Well, everyone, this is it for the night. Now you can't see a whole lot on there. I have the gen running in here, but I didn't power up the whole trailer. I'm just powering up the laptop and stuff. Anyway, I guess home is where you hang your hat, huh? Hope you guys have a great night, great day tomorrow. Peace out, people.